Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this particular video we are going to be sharing a lot of information regarding to the Time Farm which you are supposed to know. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the drop game is coming, so secure your spot. I'm going to guide you how to secure your spot, and then the next thing we are going to talk about is how will time be distributed, how will the token be distributed to the community. So we need to know that, and then we are going to also discuss about make sure you are qualified. So the make sure you are qualified, we are going to be talking about the airdrop criteria, the things that you have to do to be qualified for the airdrop. So the next thing we are going to talk about is how the time token will be unlocked. So what does this mean? It simply means that your tokens are going to be vested, they are going to be locked, and then they are going to be unlocked over a period of time. So I'm going to expose you to that information, and then the next thing we are going to talk about is the end of the farming clock. When it is it going to happen, and which clock are we talking about, and every single thing that you need to know in regards to that. And then the next thing we are going to talk, which is the last thing about in this video, is buy the latest watch with time token, what it is all about, every single thing that you need to know. That is what we are going to be discussing in this particular video. But before we go into today's video, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Before going into Time Farm video, if you are not participating in the RAPI, please make sure that you come over to my Telegram channel. You can see this is our Telegram channel. So once you get over there, you can just go ahead and search for WPI. So you can see WPI right here. So and then just click on search, and then you're going to see this is the link right here. So you can just click on that and then join. I'm also going to leave it in the comment section and also in the description section so that you can easily have access to it. So you just have to click on it. If you're not yet participating, you can mine through the web browser. You can mine through this is the web browser link right here. This first one is for web browser, this second one is for Telegram. So if you have not yet started, you have to just click on it like this. Choose your choice. So I just choose Telegram. So you can see you just click on start, and then it is going to bring you to this page. You have to just click on start again, and then click on start to launch the app. So once you click on it, and you just have to wait for it, let it load all by itself, and then it is going to bring you to this page. So all you have to do is be coming over here to claim every single time. So just click on claim, and then like that it will be adding up to your locked balance right here. So it's as simple as that. I've done a lot of videos regarding to it. In terms, I've even shown you how to withdraw. I've even shown a lot of things about this project. So if you're not yet participating, please make sure that you go to the comment section, also in the description section, and you're going to see the link there, and start up immediately. It is very, very important that you are participating and then be earning high massively from this project. So now let's head back to Time Farm. Now in the Time Farm right here, we can see right here that drop is coming. So click on it, and then once you click on it, you are going to see the first thing right here is that drop is coming. Secure your spot. So look right here, you are going to see that time token drop will happen in 5 stages. So there are 5 stages that the drop is going to happen, and then the first stage, according to them right here, is going to be 20% of your seconds may be converted into time tokens. Look at the English, they say may be converted, which means that there are some certain criteria that they are going to consider in order to decide whether 20% of their seconds will be converted to time or not. The issue is we don't yet know how many seconds are going to be worth how many amount of time, because they are going to consider a lot of factors such as the amount of referrals you have gotten, the amount of tone transactions you have done, the amount of watches you have purchased. All of those things, they are going to consider some of those things to be able to decide whether 20% of your token are going to be converted into Time Farm. And then you are going to receive this first batch in the first stage. So that is for the first stage, and then the other 4 stages are going to come later. So they say active users will receive time, but owning the latest time watch gives you a priority. What do they mean right here? It simply means that if you come right here, there is a watch, come over to update right here, there is a new watch that they just made, which is this one right here, and it is going to cost you 0.5 time right here. Remember, I've made videos to you and I showed you that the value of time, one time, is equivalent to about $11 as at the time I made it. I might not have time to go to an exchange right now for you to see it, but this amount right here should be around between, let's say, between $5 and $7. So this is what this is going to cost you. So they say that those who have purchased this are going to have an advantage. It is going to give you a priority. It is going to make you prioritize. So that is what they said here. So say you will get your time token earlier. That is if you have purchased that that clock I just showed you, you are going to receive your time token earlier. Your vesting will start sooner than others. You know, in this airdrop of a thing, especially on Telegram, once one does something, others follow it as if it is a pattern. Remember, this thing is what NotPixel did. This thing is similar to what MDocs. So MDocs did something like this, and they staked our tokens without our notice for a period of 1 year, and then they have been unlocking in batches. There are some passes that they introduced that time, and those who purchased some of those passes were considered, they started receiving their tokens on day 1. So that is what the Time Farm is also trying to do here, which is so sad, but that is what they have said. And then they said that farming of seconds stops on June 16. So today is already I think today is June 12. So in about 4 days, the farming in the Time Farm is going to end, and then I'm going to introduce another method of farming, which I'm going to show you as we proceed. So the next thing they talk about right here is how time will be distributed. So they say the distribution of time will happen in 5 stages, each with a 30-day vesting. Well, each with a 30-day vesting. So they say in stage 1, 20% of your tokens will be automatically converted into time. I've already discussed this with you. Each stage will include a different group of qualified users. So it means that for each stage, there are different mechanisms that they are going to use to be able to measure those that are going to be qualified to receive tokens for that particular stage. So that is what it simply means there. And then the next one right there says you can qualify for multiple stages depending on your activity. For active users, most active users are going to, feature on most of the stages. That's just what I see in it. And then they say the remaining 80% will be distributed across 2 to 5 stages. So that is that, because stage 1 is already 20%. They have already mentioned that to us. Active users have a better chance of qualifying earlier. We have already discussed that. So the next thing is to come over here. So we say make sure you qualify. So these are the airdrop criteria. These are the things that are going to make you to qualify for this airdrop. So the first one right here says that you should follow them on Telegram. So you just have to click on that. You can see I'm already following them. So I will just come back. So the next one says you should follow their founder, which is right here. So you just have to click on that. You can see I'm already following him. So this is their founder right there. So I'm already following him as well. So the next one says that complete 50% or more of the tasks that earned you tokens. We will check. So what are they trying to say here? Now, if you come over to the earning section right here, come over to tasks. If you just click on any of the tasks right here, so let me just wait for it to load. So it has loaded. So if you just click on any of it on this start, if you just click on any of it, even if you don't do the task and come back, if you wait for some time, you are going to see claim. So they are saying that you should make sure that you have completed 50% of the task, meaning that you are not just clicking and then going and then not doing the task and coming back to claim. Make sure that 50% of all the tasks that you have completed, you have actually clicked and followed what they said that you should do. Like for example, this one says I should join this announcement channel. So you click on it. You see, I have actually joined it. So you have to actually join it. If you have not joined, make sure you click on join before you come back and wait to see claim right here. So that is what they mean in that particular task right there. And then the last one right there, they say farm fair, all accounts will be reviewed before rewards are sent. Well, that's that. So those are the criteria, those are the conditions for you to be qualified for the airdrop. So the next thing we are going to talk right here is how your time unlocks. Now, this is the vesting schedule right here. And on the first day, you are going to receive 20%. Remember, we have discussed that. And on the second day, we don't yet know. They have not announced when the second day will be. It might be 15 days after the first day. It might be 14 days after the first day. It might be 16 days after the first day. But I believe that it will be at somewhere in the middle of the 30 days. And then the last one will be on the 30th. So which means that the unlocking will be amongst these 3 days. So now, if you click on next right now, you are going to come over to this, which is about the end of the clock farming. So the end of the clock farming, you can see right here that it is going to be on the 16th of June. I've already mentioned that. Seconds farming using the old watch system to close. So it will close on this time. What do they mean? It simply means that if you come over right here to the upgrade right here, all these clocks here, their farming is going to end at on that date, that is 16, except this one. I will tell you why I said except that one. So let's just go back. So right here, so they say that here is what happens next. You will no longer earn seconds from owning a watch. A new farming model based on staking time will take its place. So it means that after the 16th, if you want to earn seconds, you are going to earn it through staking. Your previous farmed seconds stay safe and will be used to calculate your time drop. So anything you have earned previously is going to stay there, so you have nothing to fear. They say future farming is equals to stake time, earn seconds. And then finally they say buy the latest watch with time token. What you get, so what you get for purchasing. Now I've already shown you, I've already taken you to the this thing. Let me just show you. If you come over to upgrade right here, so this is the watch. You see, I have not purchased it. This is not my main account actually, so I have not purchased. So they said that boosted farming efficiency in the new staking model. So if you own the latest watch, it is going to boost your efficiency in the new staking model, meaning that it is going to give you an edge. You are going to earn better, you are going to earn efficiently, you are going to earn more. So that is simply what it means. With the latest watch, you will be able to claim seconds every 24 hours. Once the old watch earning method passes, so you'll be earning through staking. It is going to be more of a mining, so which you have to only claim once a day, once every 24 hours. So it's as simple as that. So guys, these are the information I wanted to share with you about Time Farm, and I believe that they are important for you to know, especially the criteria, because it is what is going to determine whether you are going to get the airdrop or not. So if you are limited in any of these things I've talked about, so please make sure that you fix yourself and be ready for the airdrop. It is going to happen very, very soon. That all these things shows us that they are ramping up their and everything is moving towards its listing. So thank you so much guys. See you in my next video.